2021 BMW 330. We have a little drama in the plaza today. Check that out. Flat tire. Fucking tire shop is closed. All right, check it out, guys. We did a muffler delete under here. Call it a Muffy D. Basically, remove the muffler right here. Stock tips. We had to put in the Y. Guys, a common question I get, you see this oval part right here? This is a common BMW pipe right here. You could, your shop, wherever you're located, either, depending on where they cut, could just put in the Y, and if they're professional and like experienced fabricators, they could bend it like this, or even if they cut here, you know, they could bend the pipe, but it's very like tedious to do. Let's check out over here. This is some job that he already had on here. It was the Resonator, so we didn't do that. This is an issue though, because they bent it improperly, so he hears a little whistle. But you're gonna be hearing the aggressive tone based on the Resonator delete and the muffler delete. I just wanted to show you that. Again, we didn't do that job, but we're gonna bring it down and fire it up for you guys. Clean, clean, clean car.